So I'm back with Park Travel. We're at the market today and we're going to do a cooking class. This guy's very, very famous.
No.
So we're going to go shopping first for the fruit and vegetables. Then we're going to take the chicken bus to the cookery school. And then we're going to learn how to make some Guatemalan food. So on a normal day, this is like where people play football or is just a big empty field. But on the market days, which happens 3 times a week, I think it's Monday, Wednesday and Saturday, it's covered in vendors. People come here to sell from the Pacifics, they bring fish here, they also bring the produce, just on the 3 main market days. The rest of the time, there's always a market here, but it's mostly indoors and it's the same vendors that are here every day. ¿Qué es?
Esto es en México le llaman chayote, en Guatemala le decimos Guisquil, pero esto por ser de color blanco le llamamos pelulero. Pelulero.
Perulero.
Es una palabra muy guatemalteca.
Sí. So it's really hard to lose me in here because if you do, then you just have to ask for la gorita. Is that right?
Güerita.
Güerita. This is the güerita.
La güerita.
Thank you. Just ask what. So now I've finished the market. We're going to ride the chicken bus to Hokitanango to the cookery school, which is in the front. So we're here at the cookery school. We're outside Antigua in a place called Hokitanango. We're at the chicken bus here. It's got the most beautiful view. You can see Agua volcano over this way. And yeah, I mean, if it's raining, they have an inside kitchen as well, but it's much nicer up here. So we're starting by making the dessert first, which is Platanos. And with the Platanos, there's chocolate and frijoles, so chocolate and beans. It sounds like a really weird combination, but it's actually really good.